Embassy Suites, Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, and I'm going to do a tour of my room. So now they have this clean stay, so there is a seal on the door, which when you check in you break. My suite is 3910 and the view is a premium view. So all those rooms are suites. So they have a small living room with convertible sofa bed. So this sofa bed turns into a double sofa. There is an extra TV in here. I really like those pictures of Niagara. So the feature here, there's another nice one. So there is a microwave, of course fridge, but no dishes. And during the COVID time they also remove any drinking glasses, so if you like to drink wine from a glass, not from a coffee cup, you better bring your own. This is their breakfast now, this and a small bottle of orange juice. Generally at Embassy Suites you get cooked to order breakfast, but again not during COVID times, so if you don't like muffins or you're on a carb-free diet, you better go out for breakfast. If you're a Hilton owner member, don't forget to ask about your complimentary bottled water, because they don't volunteer that at the check-in. So I had to ask, and they will deliver a couple of bottles to my room. Okay, we have a bathroom here. This room type comes with a shower only. Full-size mirror and a vanity, but no makeup mirror. King-size bed. I like that winter picture of the railing by the falls. A very small closet, considering this room can take up to 4 people. An extra pillow and ironing board, and a quite large safe, so you can lock your laptops in here if necessary. But I don't think this one has the battery charging option. That would be nice. And of course, best part of this room is this view. So you can see both the American Falls and also the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The falls are illuminated between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. A little bit foggy day today. I was hoping for a sunrise, which I didn't get. If you opt for a cheaper falls view, you also could have it on a high floor. However, your view will be mostly of the Horseshoe Falls, facing a little bit towards the city as well. When you're checking in, you'll be given 4 tokens which are designed for vending machines, which are located on each floor. And anytime you like to buy something off the vending machine, the cost of $3 will be added to your bill. And if you need more, you can have more from the reception. This is something new that I haven't seen before at any other hotel. And I believe this is a very helpful thing, because how often you do not carry change, but you want to buy something. This is a great idea. So this hotel was built in 2003, and the last renovation they had sometime last year. So everything is quite refreshed and in great working order. If you prefer fresh air over the AC like me, there is a small window that you can open just about like this. However, I have to warn you that this noise, because we are so close to the Horseshoe Falls, you'll hear this noise all night, so I don't know if it's a great idea. I had mine open, and half through the night I had to close it because I couldn't sleep. But maybe some people would find this sound soothing. Not me though. So, if this review was helpful, please do not forget to leave a feedback and hopefully a thumb up. Best regards from Niagara Falls, and thanks so much for watching.